Axe or axe? You decide, just bring one for this lesson in outdoor winter survivalism. From Canada, where a lot of winter prepper videos are made, comes a dandy idea from Nature Bound. A man. An axe. A shelter. For this exercise, you'll need winter or another season conditions, the outdoors, and an axe. Just lie on the ground. Place the axe on your chest. And, think warm thoughts. It's easy. Have a great day. No, seriously, this is a heck of a build. You'll also need a little muscle power, so eat your spinach and then report to the woods. You'll need the woods, obviously. Pick a suitable site, assemble one log as a central beam, build a wall. Use balsam or other evergreen branches to solidify the rear wall/roof of the shelter. Continue knitting the branches together against the frame until you create a green, woody cocoon of sorts. Go on all sides. And for the full video, hit the link.